Hi guys, this is Anne. I just wanted to talk about including more fruits and vegetables into your diet. How do you do that? How do you start trying to eat more healthy? Now, the first thing me I normally do is I'll drink water with lemon in it or lime in it, and I always make sure I drink a liter of it. If you can't do that, the best thing I remember when I decided I wanted to be more healthy because of obviously health reasons, I started by eating for at least 1 month. I was eating fruits only until I was satisfied. So obviously I have progressed. This is like cucumber juice. I just take cucumbers and I blend them, and then I sieve them, and then I get the water. Obviously I'll use the pulp to make in a smoothie or something like that, but I digress. These are just, obviously, these are pineapples, these are plums. I always eat what is in season, and mostly if I can't find any other fruit or fruits are too expensive, I'll always eat bananas. Eat bananas until I'm satisfied. That prevents you from overeating the bad things. So for a whole month, I ate breakfast was just fruits. It didn't matter what kind of fruit it was. Okay, I never ate avocado because I thought it was a bit much, but watery fruits, pineapples, plums, mangoes, bananas, I ate that until I was satisfied. No deprivation, no nothing, just I ate fruits until I was satisfied. That's what I did. But obviously I had to drink water first in the morning. If you can do that, even it's better. If you can do things like this is the thing. Then I ended up the rest of the day I ate normally, but obviously because I had ovarian cysts, so I had to stop eating any animal products. I was not eating anything animal. So I'll make beans and rice, I'll make ugali and sukuma wiki and things like that. I ate that. That's for a whole month. I'll continue with the other videos just to help you on. You just eat normally, but now you only in the morning you eat your fruits, because it's better you eat fruits before you eat cooked food, because fruits digest into the body fast. Have you ever noticed when you eat fruits after you've eaten food, you get bloated, you get gas? So it's better to eat it so it digests faster. So when these other foods you've eaten, obviously the fruits have already digested and it prevents even more bloating. Anyway, I thought I share this, and yes, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos, and bye.